Hey, what's up, guys? I hope you are all doing very great. In this video, we're gonna check this carrying case for the Nintendo Switch 2 by COOWPS. This is the first time that I try their product, so I hope it's going to be great. As you can see, I didn't unbox it before, so I wanted to do it live. First impression, I say it looks pretty massive. All right, so here it is. COOWPS carrying case. Let's see what's there inside. It comes with this shoulder handle, and inside we'll find also those thumb grip caps, also by COOWPS. Pretty nice. They are made for the Switch 2. So we have two colors, as you can see, blue, orange, and we have two blacks. So they seem a little bit different also, like in terms of the type. Those are more precision and those are more like comfortable, you know. Okay, so they are pretty easy to be installed, you know. That's it. You just like stretch it. I like how like the feel of them. They feel pretty soft and very comfortable as you use them, and they are easily removed. You can try the other ones. These ones are flat compared to the black ones. Now we are done with some caps. Let's check out the main topic. So we can put the Switch 2 here. It's a great position for it. We can put the Pro controller here, and we can put the docking station here, and we can also put the Joy-Cons grip controller here. Okay, here at the top we have a space to store many game cards. In fact, 20 slot for the game cards, and here you can store cables and such. And you can actually remove all of this part. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, so you can put actually two Joy-Cons here and put like buds, you know. And perhaps we can put the 20 game cards, but here some space is taken by the Joy-Cons, so like a little bit. I prefer usually to have game cards. So yeah, it can actually fit 20 game cards. We can also put the Joy-Cons straps here, for example. So you have many options. This way you can store everything for the Switch 2, like the Pro controller. You can also store maybe another controller or Joy-Cons. You know, like if you attach them, let's see if it can work. So if you attach this like this, yeah, it can actually work. So here you can store two Joy-Cons using this. You can store two Joy-Cons on the main Switch 2. Perhaps here you can store anything else. Who knows? Perhaps like the thumb caps. Let's now try to close it to see if anything is going to move or act strange. And as you can see, nothing has moved. Everything is firmly in. Nothing is wiggling. Nothing has like overlapped or anything. No issues at all. I don't see any kind of movement or damage to them. So that's pretty nice. Like my favorite part about it, I like the fact that everything is organized already. This way you can put everything without hustle. And it's very organized. This way you know where to put everything without messing it up, and nothing is going to move. Like you don't feel like anything is shaking. Like there is a little bit of extra margin, but for the most part it's not going to fall or anything. Like you see, if I shake it, Okay, let's now open it. You can see it's still organized in the same way. So that's why it's good for like longer travels, you know. It seems like a solid choice. Yeah, guys, so that was it for this COOWPS carrying case for the Switch 2. Let me know down in the comments below what you think about it. Do you think it's actually a good choice? Did you find like a better alternative or something else that you use for your Switch 2 for like carrying it over long trips? Let me know down in the comments what you think about it. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.